How to activate Tesco credit card without logging into any online account. Let's get started. Method 1. Activate by phone. One of the easiest and fastest ways to activate your Tesco credit card without logging into an online account is calling the activation hotline. Dial 0345072972 to connect with Tesco's automated card activation service. The automated system will prompt you to enter some details from your credit card. You'll need to provide 16-digit credit card number, expiration date of the card, and 3-digit security code (CVV) from the back of your card. For security purposes, you may be asked to verify your identity by providing last 4 digits of your registered phone number or date of birth. Once the details are verified, the system will confirm that your Tesco credit card has been successfully activated. You can now start using your card for purchases and online transactions. Method 2. Activate via a Tesco ATM. Visit a Tesco ATM nearby you. Insert your new Tesco credit card into the ATM. You'll be prompted to enter your PIN. If you don't have a PIN set yet, the ATM may allow you to create one during the activation process. The ATM will provide you with on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Activating your Tesco credit card without logging into an online account is fast and simple. Whether you prefer to activate by phone or at Tesco ATM, both methods will have your card ready to use in no time. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.